How do you eat an elephant? The answer? One bite at a time. My entire suspension is It's impossible to maintain alignment, and I'm wearing through tires at an extreme rate, so it's time to refresh the front end. Ball joints, bushings, steering arms, shocks, everything's getting taken out, everything's getting replaced, with brand new parts and upgraded goodies, bought from shops locally and online. Yo shop, give me a call, I could really use some more parts. I'm also removing the cheap suspension lift that was installed by the previous owner. Spacers don't do much for suspension travel anyway, and they have a tendency of wearing these parts out faster. Like always, I'll link parts used in the description and where to buy them, for anyone who's insane enough to attempt this job on their own.
Spoiler alert, this job is way harder than it looks.
Now, if you're some sort of automotive masochist that gets pleasure in performing painful and tedious auto repair, or watching some hapless YouTuber do said painful and tedious work on their own vehicle, well, you've come to the right place. And if you want to try this project at home, proceed at your own risk. But before you go out and start buying new parts, why not smash that like button and subscribe? Every like and sub gets these videos in front of more people, and that helps me make the content you all enjoy watching, you monsters. So like and subscribe today for more Project Steel Beans. I'm gonna be honest, I think I may have bitten off more than I can chew with this one, but I've let this project sit on the back burner for too long. I'm about to move in a few weeks, so I need to get this work done, and I need to get it done now. So grab a coffee, or crack open a cold beer, sit back, and enjoy what is probably the most extensive and grueling repair job I've ever undertaken on this vehicle. It's time to eat this elephant, fellas. I hope you're hungry.
It's gonna be loud.
Was the last one this hard?
I had to like really crank it down. Got it. Woo! That's one.